Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the Crypto Takeover. I'm bringing you an altcoin video today. So this was a requested altcoin, Electroneum. I have heard about Electroneum for a while. You know, I remember it was one of those coins that you could mine directly from your phone, and I think I tried to hook it up, or tried to figure out how to start mining straight from my phone to get Electroneum, but I couldn't really figure it out, to be honest. I don't know, maybe I just wasn't too too concerned about it to put some effort into it. But it was one of those coins that you heard about for a while, and a lot of people were commenting on it and stuff. But I just wanted to do a market cipher review over it. So if y'all are interested in more of these altcoin reviews, please go ahead and like this video, comment, subscribe. um, and when you comment, leave a altcoin that you want me to go over, and I can add it to the list a little bit. So I have a few more that I want to push out, maybe some other videos I want to push out later today. But yeah, let's dive into Electroneum. Oh, and if y'all aren't aware, at 500 subs, I am doing a Ledger Nano S giveaway. So we're gonna do that at 500 subs. But what you need to do is you need to be subscribe to the newsletter, and you need to at least have left a comment on one of my videos. So go ahead and get signed up for the newsletter. First link down in the description below, CryptoTakeOver.io. And once I got your email, then we'll do the drawing that way by emails. And I'll also make sure that y'all have a comment down below and get a hold of y'all that way. So yeah, and by the way, let's see. I've been doing a lot of live streams lately. I just got the logo updated and everything, so I hope y'all are enjoying that. And I do plan on providing a little bit more valuable content to y'all, and I want to make sure that we can all be on the same page about things. So, all right, let's dive into Electroneum here. So what I did notice, looking at the weekly earlier, we're gonna start with the higher time frames, is that it does look like we're kind of making a rounded bottom here, right? In our weekly time frame, we do have this is with pairing the BTC, so it does look like we have a green dot, and we are moving above this pivot point at the 0 pivot, and that will ultimately start to provide higher higher gains for us there. Let me turn this music down just a tad bit. Okay, and so that will start that momentum wave up to the pivot point will start to move a little bit faster as we go there. So yeah, let's consider that on the weekly time frame. We are moving above the 5 EMA ribbon as well, which is a bullish sign. So we want to close above that on the weekly to be able to put in some bullish momentum here. Let's take a look at the 6-day. 6-day. Look at our Cipher B pivot point. It's really moving up pretty fast. So I definitely feel like this some gains could be made here on a nice trade. But see how we are kind of curving down, and we're we're making this curvature down here, right? So that could signify a potential reversal pattern as well. Let's take a look at our 3-day. So we are still in the red money flow here on our 3-day, but we could end up coming into the green money flow the higher that we go above the 0 pivot point here as well. So we have our 5 EMA ribbon. Looks like we're closing above it here on the 3-day. Let's dive into the 1-day real quick. Guys, yeah, and if y'all are interested, I do have a Telegram group that y'all can join. So second link, or it's somewhere down in the all those links down in the description below, but y'all can join the Telegram group. I do some updates here and there. I ask some polls and questions just to get y'all's feedback, and it'll help grow the channel as well. Please share this video if y'all are interested in getting more people to the channel, helping it grow. We are consistently growing. I've been trying to push a lot of my content out there, just on other platforms, but also in YouTube comments as well. So the best thing that y'all can do to help grow this channel, and that we can start to get a little bit more awareness about trends in the markets, is to share this video as well. So also, if y'all just want to go ahead and buy y'all's Ledger Nano X or S, I do have that link down in the description below, the affiliate link, which will help the channel as well. But y'all can get y'all's Ledger Nano X just right away if y'all want. The X is freaking awesome. Like, I use that one pretty consistently, just to transfer in and out, and it's a cold storage, you know, so you can just like leave it wherever, you know, make sure not your keys, not your coins, right? So let's go back to Electroneum. So in Electroneum, if this will load for me. Okay, here we go. Technical difficulties. I am on a little bit of a slower computer, so you have to kind of hang in there with me a little bit, you know. So as you can see here on the 1 day, we did kind of move into the green money flow. It does look like we had a nice run up here from about 3,800 sats and 5,300 sats. So I mean, that's a pretty nice gain, y'all, from back at the beginning of November. Let's see how much percentage we've gained here. If I can get my controller to work here. So all the way up here to the top, it's 5,800 sats. It's about a 53% gain, so that's pretty nice, y'all. Definitely liking the look of this, especially with that rounded bottom on the higher time frame, like the weekly. It's looking like we could see some more moves to the upside here. 12-hour, pretty bullish here. Our green money flow indicates that we could probably stay moving up a tad bit, or if we start to have a pullback here, it probably won't be a substantial pullback, but it'll start to curve back up to the upside. So Electroneum is one of those I haven't really like looked into in a while, but the higher time frame does seem to be rather kind of indicating a reversal pattern that's happening. So 8 hours looking pretty healthy too. I mean, we've trended up here quite a bit, y'all. So the main thing I would look for is a slight pullback here, probably in some of these lower time frames, as you can see. Maybe a slight pullback, but all the money flow is in green, so that is still a good sign. Yeah, substantial pullback here at the 2 hour, but does look like we are about to put in a green dot as well. So I don't really want to dive into the super lower time frames, y'all. Y'all can also check out CryptoFace if y'all are interested in getting market Cipher as well. But yeah, Electroneum's not looking too shabby, yo. It's definitely making some a nice little rounded bottom here, which is like a here. Let me see if I can draw it out. I'm trying to get better at TradingView, but there's just like so much that you can do on here. It's pretty wild. So yeah, nice little rounded bottom there, you know, and that's looking good. So with that being said, y'all, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and end the video here, and let's see. Yeah, okay. Probably going to go ahead and end the video here. If y'all are interested in leverage trading, I do have a Bybit affiliate link down in the description below. But please use testnet first, by all means. Do not deposit your crypto to the server, but you want to use the testnet first just to practice your trading, to practice your algorithm, and see what's working for you to make the most gains and most profit. So what you're going to want to do is get signed up with the link down in the description below, and then you're going to want to ask customer service, how do I access your testnet? And it's like a two-step process, and they'll help you through it. Also, I have the Brave browser affiliate link down in the description below. It's an easy way to tip your content creators, but also earn BAT token while you're browsing the web with pop-ups and ads, and just clicking the ads, and then you earn a percentage of BAT token with that too as well. If you wanna mine Bitcoin straight from a web browser, there is the crypto tab affiliate link down in the description below. Y'all can add me on Twitter, CryptoTakeOver_. Same with with Instagram. And let me refresh this real quick because I did update all the pictures. So we have we have our banner and we have our profile picture as well now too. Perfect. If y'all want to donate with PayPal, y'all can do that. Link down in the description below. And yeah, y'all, that's about it. So I am doing the giveaway at 500 subs. We're about 300 subs away from it, which is pretty crazy to think about, that I've gained like over 100 subs within like the past couple of days. It's pretty awesome. So share this video down below. Facebook, Twitter, however you want to share it, and yeah, that'll help the channel grow. So if y'all want to see another altcoin, just let me know. Comment what altcoin you want me to review, and we'll go from there. And I'll be pushing more content out to y'all. So y'all have a great day. Bye.